Hello family, welcome back again to another video. Today we are making Ghana Gobe. Yes, this is Ghana red, and this is very delicious and very easy to prepare as well. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Let's get started. For this recipe, I will need some black eye beans, which I've already removed anything which I don't need in these beans. Everything is nicely washed as well. So to that, I need some ripe plantain. Just look at how beautiful this looks. And some avocado pear as well. So the rest of the ingredients will be listed in the description box for you to check it out. So next, we're going to cook our beans for about 45 minutes to cook very well. Okay, so to that I'll add in a tablespoon of baking soda, and this baking soda is really going to help the water from the beans turn into a brownish color that I am looking for. So I'll add in more water for easy cooking and everything, and cook this for about 45 minutes to cook very well. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes of cooking these beans, and we are back to check on it again and just see how the water from the beans has turned into a brownish color. That is how I want these beans to look. So to that I'll add in a teaspoon of salt. So let this cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes to soften very well. So the reason why I didn't add the salt in the beginning of cooking this beans is because I don't want these beans to take long whilst cooking. And just see how the water from the beans has taken up beautifully, and this is how I want it. So now let's set these beans aside and continue with the rest of the video. Okay, so to a heated pan, let's add in some palm oil. Let it heat up very well and add in your salted fish, that is your Gobe, and some chopped onions to give this oil flavor. Yes, so the palm oil I'm using is called Zomi in Ghana. So if you have this, no need adding in the salted fish and your onions. But if you don't have that kind of oil, then you have to do this. Add some salted fish and some onions to give your oil a little bit of flavor. So let us fry for about 2 to 3 minutes and set it aside. Okay, so I have with me here some fresh ripe plantain, which I've already washed this plantain very well. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, add some salt to it, mix very well, and we're going to fry this on medium heat to fry very well until it turns into the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, my name is Efia and this is a cooking channel. If you haven't subscribed as well, please do what to subscribe to this channel. While you're subscribing, hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you all for doing that as well. So next we're going to heat up some oil and drop in a slice ripe plantain. Yes, so we're going to fry this on medium heat until it turns into the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. Remember to stir this continuously. You don't want to leave this on fire, because when you leave this on fire, it's going to burn, and we don't want that. And just look at how beautiful this has turned into. And at this point, this is the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. Just look at that. It looks so appetizing and very delicious as well. So let's set this aside and let's enjoy our famous Ghana street food. Yes, Gobe steak. So let's serve and enjoy our Gobe. So I'll set some beans, which I'll add some gari. This is homemade gari. I'm almost done with this gari. I have to prepare a new one. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the link to this video into the description box for you to check it out. To that I'll add in my palm oil as well and my fried plantain, and just look at that. And one more thing, let's add our avocado to it for healthy living and also for garnishing as well. But if you don't have avocado or you don't eat avocado, it is totally optional. You can just omit it. Add some onions and enjoy your gobe. Yes, this is red. Thank you all so much for watching this video to this point, and please turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much and stay blessed.